Hey guys, my name is Ingrid and welcome to I Think It. Today I'm going to jump into the holiday spirit and I'm going to show you how I bake chocolate candy cane cookies that are going to be vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, and oil-free. Literally, it is a healthier version of the common ones that you will get in the stores or that you can bake at home. However, it has an insane amount of sugar, so still not as healthy as I would love to label it, but it's a version that is a lot healthier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll start by adding all of the dry ingredients. First, add 1 cup of brown rice flour, half a cup of oat flour, 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoons of salt. In my case, I'm gonna use pink Himalayan salt, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Go ahead and mix everything. To substitute for the eggs, go ahead and add half a cup of applesauce. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix everything. Guys, if you haven't tried this is what we're going to add next. It's the chocolate candy cane granola that actually inspired this recipe. It's from Safe and Fair. I'm gonna add half a cup. I promise you the cookies are going to taste amazing. So now go ahead and mix everything. And just to finish our cookie dough, go ahead and add 1/4 of a teaspoon of xanthan gum. As you can see, the cookie dough is non-sticky. However, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to get the consistency I'm looking for. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare this surface. I'm going to use brown rice flour. With the amount of cookie dough that I prepared, I ended up with 10 cookies. As you can see, they're pretty big. They're like the size of my hand. And then leftover dough that I'm just gonna turn into small cookie. And I'm gonna go ahead and bake this for 25 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. While the cookies are baking, I'm gonna start doing the frosting. I feel like this is the easiest recipe I've ever shared in my YouTube channel. So, to make the frosting, it's really easy. All you need to do is add 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 of a cup of your favorite plant-based milk. In my case, you already know I love oat milk. And 1/4 teaspoons of lemon juice. So I will add half a cup of powdered sugar, Hey guys, I'm so sorry, I just realized that my camera stopped recording. So basically, I added another half a cup of powdered sugar. That is because I didn't have the consistency that I wanted for the frosting. So now that I've mixed everything, you can see. So this is 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 1/4 cup of plant-based milk, and then 1 1/2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Let's start decorating them. I'm going to be using granola to put it on top, and then I already have my frosting ready. This is the part where if it goes wrong, I have another batch of cookies. However, I'm thinking to do something in a circle. My favorite part of every cooking video is actually getting to try the recipe that I just made. I'm excited. I feel like they're just gonna be so crunchy because of the granola, which is exactly what I need at this time. And you know what? Surprisingly, I was expecting the frosting to be way more sweeter, but I think the lemon made it strict because it's not that sweet at all. I mean, it's sweet, but not as much as I imagined it. This is so good. You guys need to try this recipe at home. If you try it, you of course have to let me know in the comment section below how did they turn out, because I know that you're all going to fall in love with this recipe. My main thing to bake cookies is actually finding the right blend between all of the gluten-free flours that exist, and I feel like I found the compromise between brown rice and the oat flour. I just don't like to bake them with only one. I love mixing it because I feel like it gives it a different texture. You can play around, if not, give this recipe a try. And I want to say a special thank you to Safe and Fair for gifting me their amazing granola collection. They have 3 different flavors for the holidays right now. The one that I used was the chocolate candy cane, which is actually the one that inspired this video. I've been obsessed with their granola, and if you want to give them a try, I'm going to leave you my link below with a code that is going to give you 10% discount every time that you purchase from their website. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button, subscribe before you leave my channel, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, leave me any comments below, and I hope to see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!